Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Scorpio at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe para kay Scorpio at yung kanyang person. Finding myself. It was time I went within to find myself again. I need to figure out what I want out of life. I need space. Okay? So, Scorpio, this is really like telling either you or yung person mo na hinahanap ko yung sarili ko eh. Kaya kailangan ko ng espasyo. I need time to be by myself. I need space. In other words, kung pwede, maghiwalay muna tayo temporarily. Kasi kung gaba parang kailangan ko mapag-isa. Kailangan kong maintindihan yung sarili ko. Hinahanap ko yung sarili ko. Okay? And I cannot do it if I'm with you. Physically with you. So, I need to be by myself. I need to have that quiet time, my me time, my personal time, para makuha ko yung sagot na yon para sa sarili ko. Okay? So, it's really more of a search, no? You're trying to search for yourself. Hinahanap mo yung sarili mo. Sino ba ako? Ano bang gusto ko? Paano ba talaga ako pagdating sa ganitong sitwasyon? It is really trying to get to know more of you. No, kinikilala mo yung sarili mo maigi. Para kasi pagdating sa mga bagay-bagay, lalo na sa buhay in general, alam mo kung paano ka kikilos, alam mo kung paano ka magde-decide, alam mo kung ano sasabihin, anong gagawin. Kung kilalang kilala mo sarili mo, alam mo na hindi mo ipapasok o igagambol yung sarili mo sa isang sitwasyon na alam mong mahihirapan ka. You know? O hindi mo ipapasok yung sarili mo sa isang relationship na alam mong hindi ka naman magiging maligaya. Okay? So, importante yan eh. This is really like saying, love yourself first. No? Mahalin mo muna yung sarili mo. Finding yourself is really loving yourself first. We have the Five of Swords. The Empress, the Nine of Wands, the Two of Cups, the Lovers, and the Three of Swords. Okay, dito sa kabila, we have the Two of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, the Three of Swords, the Knight of Wands, the King of Pentacles, and the Ten of Wands. Okay, Scorpio, bago tayo mag-umpisa, I just wanted to let you know na pick this side for you, Scorpio. But if you think na hindi nagre-resonate sa'yo tong set of cards na to, then please take the other side. Okay? Ibig sabihin, ito yung sa'yo, and then ito na yung sa person mo. Okay? Vice versa lang. Kasi may nagko-comment na nagsasabi sa akin na hindi naman ako yan, this is my person, ang sinasabi mo. Then, kung ganun po, of course, take it as it resonates po. Kaya ako lagi sinasabi yon. Kasi, syempre, yung energy po na nababasa natin, ito yon. So, I'm just telling you what it is. Kung sa tingin mo hindi yun naugma sa yung sitwasyon, but it's the other way, yung storya ba, yung kwento, then ganun po, baliktarin nyo lang. Then, yun na yun. Yun yung energy na nabasa natin for you and for your person. Okay? So, dito, 5 of Swords. Scorpio, ang 5 of Swords kasi is yung pakiramdam mo ba na akala mo nagtagumpay ka. You thought that you won the battle. Ikaw yung nagwagi, kung ba. With the Empress, ito yung energy na knowing your worth. Alam mo yung halaga mo. Alam mo kung paano dapat alagaan yung sarili mo. Paano dapat bigyan ng halaga yung sarili mo. Kasi ikaw yung taong hinahabol. In other words, no? Hindi ikaw yung nangahabol. Ikaw yung hinahabol. So, ibig sabihin, may value ka. May halaga ka. Kasi ba't ka habulin ng tao? No? Ibig sabihin, you are the one being pursued, no? Hindi yung habol na may utang ka, no? That's not the one I'm talking about. You're being pursued. Ikaw yung ina-approach, in other words. Hindi ikaw yung nanga-approach. Hindi ikaw yung pumoporma. Ikaw yung pinopormahan. Okay? Maliwanag ba yun? Kasi, kilala mo sarili mo eh. Alam mo na yung kakayanan mo. You know your value. Alam mo yung pwede mong ibigay sa relationship na to. And you're very abundant, no? You represent love and abundance. You represent growth, paglaki, pagdami. So, alam mo talagang importante ka. Meron kang halaga, ba? And I think that is what you are trying to find out. Yung halaga na yun. How much ba ang halaga ko? You wanted to be an empress, no? Knowing confidently who you are. Which is not bad. Kasi dapat lang talaga we know ourselves. Now, with the 9 of Wands, kasi, ang tendency kasi natin is to put up that wall, no? Naglalagay tayo ng, kung gaba parang protective wall or measures na parang hindi tayo masaktan. Kaya tayo naglalagay ng mga harang na yan eh. O mga boundaries na tinatawag natin. Kasi we don't want to get hurt. No? It is our way of defense. No? Yung pang depensa natin sa mga tao. Kasi, di ba, ang gusto mo is somebody na who is equally in love with you. With the 2 of Cups. Gusto mo yung pareho kayo, patas kayo na talagang in love with each other. Na kayo, as the lovers, no? 2 of Cups and the lovers, na kayong dalawa, talagang like soulmate, no? The 2 of Cups is like soulmates. But the lovers is also telling us na you need to make a decision. Ano ba di-decision na natin? Kasi meron kayong 3 of Swords. You have 3 of Swords in this side and another 3 of Swords on the other side. So, pareho kayo. Pareho kayong may heartbroken. Either you both experience this sa past, or you will be experiencing this with each other. Pareho kayong mga heartbroken. Yun yung parang gusto niya sabihin dito. Dito naman sa kabilang side, the Two of Pentacles is really trying to juggle, no? Trying to weigh things na tinitimbang mo kung ano yung mas may halaga o mas importansya sa'yo. Kasi nagmamadali eh. There's somebody who's really in a hurry. No, may nagmamadali para sa isang desisyon na sa tingin mo hindi naman dapat bilisan. Kasi hindi ka pa nga sigurado eh. Kaya ka nga nagaganito eh, di ba? Parang ano na bang gagawin ko? Ano ba mas importante? Ito bang nasa kaliwa o yung nasa kanan? No, hindi ka pa ganun ka-sure. But somebody is trying to push you to make a very fast decision. And that fast decision would bring heartache. No? Sakit sa damdamin. O sakit sa puso. Hindi yung sakit sa puso, hindi yung atake, but you will feel hurt. No? Kasi with the Knight of Wands, this energy is somebody na hindi nga consistent. Hindi ka masasabing sigurado sa tao na to. Kasi nga, may pagka-player energy siya. No? Yung player is yung may pagka-pabling. Yung tipong like to play around with other people. Kasi this is Wands, a fire sign. And fire sign is, they love company. They love to entertain people. They love fun. They love to have fun. Now with the King of Pentacles, ito yung energy na talagang alam mong stable ka. Secure. Somebody who is really down to earth and grounded and talagang nakafocus sa work and family. Marunong sa pera. Somebody na ang mafe-feel mo that you are being burdened. Maybe this feeling of this Knight of Wands, no? You feel burdened about this person. Kasi nga yung pagiging in and out niya. That's why I think you were trying to manifest somebody na ganitong energy, no? King of Pentacles, an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Na sana ganito siya, para hindi ako overburden. No? Hindi ako ma-overburden. Yun yung gusto mo. Kaya siguro nga, you are trying to make that decision here with the Lovers, no? You're trying to make that decision. Kami na ba talaga? Kasi pakiramdam ko, masasaktan lang ako eh, no? Here, with the two cards saying Three of Swords, na parehong masasaktan lang talaga, no? Kasi yung iniisip mo na sana siya na nga yung soulmate ko, but the way things are acting, dahil nga dito sa kanyang energy na hindi mo makakasigurado dito sa tao na to, pinamamadali ka pa ng desisyon na ano ba, things will not really work out well. Maybe that's why you're trying to find yourself, no? Hinahanap mo yung sarili mo. You wanted to understand na ano ba talaga? Ano ba talaga gusto ko? Am I willing to take that risk with this person? Alam ko naman masasaktan kami pareho. Diba? Parang, kung ba sinasabi na ngayon sa'yo? So, ano yung outcome dito? we have the Nine of Wands. Strength. And the Six of Wands. Nine of Wands, pareho sila, di ba? Trying to say na you are trying to have that, resilient, or parang feeling mo na medyo napapagod ka na rin. In a way, you're tired of getting yourself hurt in the long run. Kaya kung gaba, kailangan mo ng lakas, no? You need energy. You need confidence. You need to be in control para to be successful. To feel that you have gained yung yung sarili mo. You were able to take back your power. Yung ganun. No? Kailangan mo talaga ng lakas ng loob para maging ka ulit. Kung gaba parang ma-revive mo ulit yung sarili mo. Kasi dito parang naguguluhan ka eh. Kasi nga siguro dahil pareho kayo nasaktan. Remain positive within the next few months, and unlikely. So if what angel is saying, just stay positive about this. Remain positive is really working on yourself, finding yourself. Alamin mo yung sarili mo. Ano ba talaga gusto ko? And maybe within the next few months, things will change. Things will be more better. You will feel that success. Kasi once nakilala mo na yung sarili mo, naayos mo yung sarili mo, then everything will be okay. Kasi nga, you will feel that success, no? Yung tagumpay na dahil nilakasan mo yung loob mo, kaya maybe in the next few months, that's all you need para mas maging maayos ka. Okay? And ma-overcome mo tong pain, no? Tong sakit sa damdamin. If you're asking something to do with kung magiging kayo, I think the answer is unlikely. Okay? Unlikely na maging kayo. That's how I'm feeling this. Okay, Scorpio. So, kung kanino mang Scorpio to na nakuha natin yung energy, sana nakatulong ito sa inyo ng malaki. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.